Ubucace umyalezo wezakhamuzi zaseNkomazi esifundazweni iMpumalanga wokuthi zikhathele ubugebengu njengoba namhlanje Zimashele Emngceleni wakuleli neMozambique I-Lebombo. Lezakhamuzi zizwakalise ukukhathazeka kwazo ngokwanda kwezigameko zobugebengu kulomngcele, zisola iziphathimandla zawo ngokuhluleka ukunqanda ubugebengu kakhulukazi amaphoyisa kanye namalunga ombutho wezokuvikela kanye nomnyango wezasekhaya. Umweli Masilela uyasibikela.
Takhamuti tasendaweni yaseNkomazi tihlangene ndzawonye nenhloso yekulwa nebugebengu. Tibambe umshuqo emgwaqweni lobhizi kakhulu iN4 kuyowetfula luhla lwetikhalo kutikhulu temngcele we-I-Lebombo. Lo mshuqo uchamuka nje emva kwesikhashana ekubeni kube netigameko tebugebengu kule ndzawo lokufaka ekhatsi kutfunjwa kwebantfu.
One of the things that they are crying about is the fence at the borderline. It has collapsed. That makes it easy for people to come in and come out without being properly processed at the border. Therefore, mostly of these people, they are illegal immigrants who are committing these serious crimes.
Bashayeli bemaloli lamakhulu kanye nalabo labasebenta ngematekisi babe ingcenye yalo mshuqo kwatise kutsi nabo batsikameteka kakhulu.
Ama-passenger wethu ayahlukumeteka, ama-taxi wethu ayahlukumeteka. Ngasonke isikhathi uma kathi kusebusuku or lama-truck avala indlela, uthola le gebengu ziphume zizothatha lama-passenger zingene nawo ehlathini bayabahlukumeza.
Tikhulu kulomngcele we-I-Lebombo tethembise ukuthi titatibuka letikhalo.
We will go through it. We will also invite them and give them clarity with other issues which they have to understand, especially with the issue of erecting the fence. So it's not our responsibility at the current moment, but we will sit as a PMC, Port Management Committee.
Bagqugquteli balombhikisho wanamuhla basi batawuhlela lomunye umbhikisho lotawuconza ngco emahhovisini endvuna yemaphoyisa abhekicele uma ngabe bangatfoli timphendvulo letifanele. Etindzabeni tethu ku Channel 163 lotiletselwa iNewsroom Africa, ngingumweli Masilela, I-Lebombo Border Post, eMpumalanga.